some of the McCrag blue. So I'm spraying from a different angle again. I'm now going to pop some of this on. I'm going to put a little bit on with the toothbrush. I've learned you can be quite heavy with this and you're still going to get a great effect. Okay, I'd say that's enough. I want some hatching there. This bit in the middle. So this should all work out fine. Again, just this this simple matte black. And there we go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pop some stickers on where I want to stay white. Okay, that's looking good. Mechanicus grey. Just to take some of the hatching effect back a little bit. There we go, that's enough. I want to try and match what we did here. There's actually a little bit less renewal brass than I thought. Let me see what I can do. Okay, I'm going to move those to one side. Okay, we'll start with some masking tape, see how we get on. You can see we've got some pretty cool effects. Okay, we'll go. You see quite a bit of latex here on these. Bit of damage on that one. Looking quite smart again. Quite like this one. I know we went in quite bold with this. It's great to see that diagonal across the veins. Now got a bit of latex inside there. And try and get it out with some tape. What we're now seeing is the damage is coming through the hatching quite effectively. I'm pretty happy with that, bearing in mind it took me a fraction of the time it took to paint the proof of concept. And when you bear in mind you've got a whole table of these, you don't need to spend forever painting them. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate all the feedback, all the comments that people give me. So please don't hesitate, ask any questions. Please like and subscribe. And I'll be doing a lot more of this over the next few weeks as I paint the rest of this 30k table. Thanks very much.